Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Alam nyo ba? So guys, alam nyo ba, according kay PH Malaya, sabi niya dito sa kanyang video, why the Philippine Air Force, putol, ganon, needs a bigger and better, siguro needs a, putol na naman kasi. So yeah, so why the Philippine Air Force needs a bigger, better helicopter? Bakit nga ba? Kasi mga helicopter natin, hindi naman ganoon eh. Siguro kailangan ng mga medium lift or large lift. Large lift ba? Kasi yung medium lift helicopter, yung malalaki talaga. Parang naman marami tayong madala, lalo sa kalamidad, di ba? Or troops natin, marami tayong madala. Pero tingnan natin ang magiging anong masasabi ni PH Malaya sa kanyang video. Bakit nga ba kailangan natin ng mas malaking and better na helicopter para sa ating Philippine Air Force? Tara, panoorin natin.
Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into why the Philippine Air Force should prioritize acquiring medium to heavy lift helicopters, especially in light of recent events where our South
Heavy pala, large ang sabi ko. Medium and heavy lift helicopter. Kasi wala pa tayong yun eh. Diba? Standard pala yung helicopter natin. Siguro ito pala yung pinakamalaking helicopter natin. Yung Black Hawk. Kasi malaki din, mahaba, diba? So,
East Asian neighbors have stepped up to assist with critical air assets.
Yeah, medium.
We'll also explore some top recommendations.
Yeah, no? Excuse me po. Chinok, no? Grabe, di ba? Kumaroon tayo ng chinok na yan, ewan ko na lang, di ba? Parang lupit na natin yan, di ba? Kasi dati, alam ko, kukuha tayo sana sa Russia ng medium lift helicopter nila. Kaso, yun nga, binabantahan tayo ng Amerika na huwag tayong bibili sa, yun nga, hindi allied or hindi natin kanong bansa. Kaya yun, siguro kaya hindi rin natuloy ang ating pagbili ng medium lift helicopter sa Russia. Pero ano nga ba itong tatlong to? Kasi alam ko lang, chinok lang. Pero yung dalawa, hindi pa. Panoorin natin.
For medium to heavy lift helicopters from Western manufacturers that could fulfill this urgent need. Why should the Philippine Air Force pursue medium to heavy lift helicopters? The Philippine Air Force, PAF, currently relies on Sikorsky S-70I Black Hawk helicopters for combat utility and transport missions.
Correct.
While versatile, the Black Hawks are not specifically designed for the unique demands of missions like combat search and rescue, CSAR, special operations insertion, or heavy lift logistical support. A medium to heavy lift helicopter, like the Airbus H225M Caracal, offers several key advantages that could significantly enhance the PAF's operational flexibility and humanitarian response capabilities. Medium to heavy lift helicopters can carry larger payloads, more troops, and essential supplies over long distances. With the H225M Caracal currently assisting in humanitarian aid and disaster relief (HADR) operations in the Bicol region alongside an Indonesian Mi-17, the advantages of a larger, more
Yan yung Mi-17 ng Russia. Yan dapat na plano sana natin na medium lift helicopter. Ayan. So, tumulong din pala ang ibang bansa. Alam ko, talagang tumulong sila. Padala sila ng mga kanilang mga helicopter para nga mas ma-accommodate pa natin yung mga pangangailangan ng ating mga kababayan dahil nga sa mga nasalanta. So, kaya importante ma-deliver sa kanila yung mga relief goods din para makatulong po sa kanila.
Capable helicopter are clear. Philippine Air Force sources have confirmed that the Malaysian H225M Caracal, for instance, outperforms the S-70i Black Hawk in payload and cabin space, allowing it to
Yun naman talaga magiging ano yan, ang advantage ng heavy ng medium lift. Siyempre, mas marami kang personnel, marami kang load na mailalagay dyan para hindi naman masayang din ang ang lakad mo, di ba? So, lahat, marami ka pang gagamitin mga aircraft para lang ma-deliver yung dapat mo ma-deliver or magamitan na dapat mong idala, padala mo na. Kaya kailangan talaga natin ng malaking helicopter talaga. Tama naman si Update Beach.
carry more critical equipment and personnel when responding to emergencies or supporting military operations. The H-225M Caracal, already in service with Indonesia, Malaysia, and Thailand, is specifically built for missions like CSAR and Spec Ops insertion. These capabilities make it
tayong pauli ha. Meron na pala yung mga kalapit bansa natin sa Asia na ganyan, Caracal. So, sana meron din tayong ganyan. Parang malapit din ng helicopter na to. Ganito rin.
invaluable for rescuing downed personnel, conducting strategic insertions, and providing tactical transport support to forces operating in complex environments, capabilities that are currently unmet with the PAF's existing fleet. With the Rehorizon 3 phase of the revised AFP modernization program in motion, the PAF has plans to acquire new search and rescue SAR helicopters to replace its aging Bell 205 Huey fleet. This presents a strategic
Pero grabe yung Bell niya no? Kung meron lang siyang malaking helicopter siguro, din kukunin natin. Kasi talagang magandang performance ng Bell helicopter talaga. Malupit. Kahit na matanda ng helicopter, hanggang ngayon nag-perform pa rin ng maayos. Diba? Kaya believe din ako dun sa Bell niya na helicopter.
Opportunity for the PAF to look at helicopters with a more specialized design for SAR and HADR roles, enhancing their fleet with versatile, mission-ready platforms. The Airbus H225M Caracal stands out as an optimal choice for the PAF, especially for those seeking a capable yet reasonably priced alternative to heavier, more costly options like the Boeing CH-47F Chinook. The Caracal's successful integration within the armed forces of Indonesia, Malaysia, and Thailand demonstrates its reliability in varied Southeast Asian environments. Moreover, the Caracal could open the door for a broader partnership with Airbus, which already supplies the PAF C295M and W transport aircraft. As a further advantage, this acquisition would streamline maintenance and training through compatibility with other Airbus platforms. If the Philippine Air Force is considering expanding its medium to heavy lift helicopter fleet, here are some recommended Western-made options that align with their strategic goals and mission requirements. First, Airbus H225M Caracal, proven in Southeast Asia for CSAR, HADR, and tactical transport, the Caracal is a robust, adaptable option. It provides ample cabin space and a high payload capacity suitable for SAR and tactical missions, as demonstrated in Baikol's recent disaster response efforts. Second, Boeing CH-47F Chinook. Though costly and larger, the Chinook is one of the most capable heavy-lift helicopters, ideal for transporting troops and equipment across challenging terrain. It has an impressive lift capability that makes it invaluable for both HADR and military operations, yet may be oversized for some PAF applications. And lastly, Leonardo AW101, a heavy-lift helicopter designed for missions such as SAR, transport, and naval roles. The AW101 offers excellent performance and a spacious cabin, ideal for carrying personnel and large cargo loads in HADR missions. Its advanced design makes it suitable for both military and humanitarian missions. In the end, acquiring a medium to heavy lift helicopter like the H225M Caracal would fill a crucial capability gap in the Philippine Air Force, providing a platform specifically designed for CSAR, HADR, and Spec Ops missions.
Correct.
As neighboring countries like Malaysia and Indonesia demonstrate the Caracal's effectiveness in real-world scenarios, it's a reminder that the Philippines, too, could benefit immensely from such an addition to its fleet. If the larger CH-47F Chinook is deemed impractical or too expensive, the H225M Caracal offers an ideal balance between capability and cost. This strategic choice could open the doors to a closer relationship with Airbus, enhancing the PAF's airlift capabilities and enabling more robust responses to both security and humanitarian challenges. That's it for today's content. Let us know what you think.
Okay din eh, kasi Chinook talaga, heavy lift din eh. So, talagang mas mahal yan, di ba? Eh, sa kay Leonardo siguro ito, Caracal, ano na eh, gamit na sa Asia eh. Kumbaga, alam niyo yung ano eh, yung weather dito sa Asia eh. So, maganda rin na meron din tayong ganito. Siguro sana kung i-consider ito ng Department of National Defense, itong Caracal na. Kasi nga, para naka-align din tayo sa mga kapwa nating sa taga-Asia. Kasi subok na nga nila to at kaya-kaya din natin na masubukan to at mabili siguro to kung may budget pa. Kung kaya pa ng budget natin or nasa listahan ng Horizon 3 ng ating Department of National Defense na kung naka-budget itong medium lift helicopter. Pero yun nga, tama nga naman talaga na kailangan talaga natin ng medium lift para sa maraming personnel, mas maraming tayong maikakarga, mga kailangan na maipadala. Di ba? Kaya kahit nga ilang piraso lang siguro yan, eh, okay din naman. Pang simula naman, di ba? Hindi naman kailangan na marami na eh. Kung gusto niyo isa o dalawa, why not, di ba? Matry natin kung hindi okay na okay din sa atin yan, hindi bumili pa tayo ng mga extra kung may budget pa in the future, di ba? Kaya sana i-consider ito ng ating Department of National Defense na yan. Bumili ng Caracal helicopter. Kasi maganda rin, nakita ko kanina, may rin siya, may sonar, siguro pwede rin lagyan ng armaments yan, like machine guns. Diba? Tapos malaki pa, medium lift. Kaya okay na okay talaga yan. Para magkaroon naman tayo ng medium lift helicopter. Diba? Papauli pa ba tayo sa mga natin? Kapwa natin Asia? Siyempre hindi. Kailangan mayroon din tayo yan, di ba? Kaya yun, so maraming salamat kay PH Malaya sa kanyang video. So lalagay ko po sa description down below ang full video na to, pati po kanyang YouTube channel. So abangan na lang natin yung balitang to kung i-consider ng ating Department of National Defense or hindi pa sa ngayon, pero in the future sana. So abangan na lang natin guys. So dito na po tayo nagtatapos. So, siyempre, huwag niyo rin po kalimutan mag-subscribe sa aking channel. Pindutin niyo po yung notification bell at i-like po ang aking videos. So maraming salamat po sa lahat. Ingat po tayong lagi and God bless us all. Bye-bye.